Hi there, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Let's talk about words. Why is there such an emphasis on words? Well, for a simple reason that words play a big role in your creation process. Anything that you would like to create in your life, your words can play a big role, a significant role in helping you move more and more towards exactly what you want to experience. Words are everywhere. We speak them, we read them, we write them, we think them, we see them, we type them, we even hear them in our head. Did you know that the very words that you use are actually creating the thoughts that you're thinking in your head? These thoughts and words then cause you to feel in a certain way. And most of the times, because we are using the same words, we are also feeling in a similar way most of the times. The feelings that are going on within you are causing you to generate a vibration. If it's a negative feeling, you are sending out a negative vibration. Even if you really want to manifest something, even if you believe you have the power to manifest anything, if you're not using the right words, you are, without your knowledge, sending out a negative vibration. Words are causing you to attract more and more of what you don't want. Therefore, start observing what words are you speaking. You will also be surprised to know that most of the times we are speaking words that people around us are speaking. Start becoming conscious. Start observing how you are speaking most of the times. And if you catch yourself speaking low energy words like hate, violence, confusion, start thinking of the opposite of that word and then speak the opposite word. For example, I'm confused. The opposite of confusion is clarity. Instead of saying I'm confused, start saying I need more clarity. A mere shift in your words can create major shifts in your vibration and therefore the signals you're sending out into the universe. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.